Hi guys, time check now is 9:30 around there. Take my Americano. Actually you know what? Today I want the hazelnut cause I haven't tried that yet. This is my ice box. This is ball ice, guys. I would say it's not bad. It's like the Americano but with hazelnut. That's all I can say. Anyways, let me just share. Yesterday I cannot even sleep because maybe I have like trips coming up. It took me quite a long time to sleep, like around 4 a.m. When I tried to sleep at 2 a.m. it wasn't a good sleep, guys.
You're so irreplaceable.
Our first stop is Nando's. The sauces. I have rice, spicy rice, pineapple. This is just chicken. I don't know. Hot sauce. My first meal of the day. Let's try the main part, the chicken. Wow, hot. I choose the hot sauce. Oh. I think my favorite thing here is the pineapple. Hot better. Guys, look at this mall I'm in. This Nike is so huge. This is the whole mall. I just did my hair. Look at the difference. I should do more treatment. This is so life-changing. Guess what? In front of me. They got that one! They got so many Kuromi. Oh, this one is the one that I want. I found out this Hirono is 69 ringgit. But it's $23 SGD. So X. Since when Hirono $23? I don't know if I should buy or not, man. It's so expensive eh. Now my sister also want Pop Mart. It's already decided now. Yeah, this one is decided already, so it's not a blind box. Tea Life. I ordered the purple cha-cha. I know there are other drinks that are better than this. Next, we have come to this shabu shabu area. It's Arashi. Look at the interior. It's like clubbing area. Guys, suddenly 停电 in the mall. Then like at the right side still have store blackout. This is no good. They sell it in like this kind of plastic. I don't know why it's way longer, the Oreo, and I don't know if even there's like a photo card inside cause it's not the original packaging. I don't think I can buy. But guys, see what I found? Another Pop Mart! Another Pop Mart store! Yay! Yay! Oh, it's so cute eh, this Yuki. I never see before in real life. This is my Timo. This is the one that I have in my house. We ordered from Family Mart for our supper. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Our triple cheese corn dog. And it's 10 ringgit. Compared to Singapore, it's 5.80. Americano with a bit of syrup. Not bad. Family Mart. This is our supper for tonight. I know we are drinking coffee at I don't know what hours to stay awake. I'll take a bite now. Oh my god. It's good eh. Time for box hunt, which is Pop Mart. This is my sister one. Which one you want the most, eh?
Little twin star, la.
Open yours first.
Open your one also, eh?
Huh? Open together? She already said what she wants, so I want the secret, obviously, or I want the sleeping curse. Okay, I just don't want this one, the inspiration tea and the witch book. Okay, let's open now. Okay. Hey! 3, 2, 1, okay. 3, 2, 1. What is this? Oh my gosh, you got a dog! Yeah, it's the Pochaco. She didn't want the duck, so
Yeah,
lucky
at first
she
I thought it's the dog.
She don't want this duck, and in the end, lucky she never get. What is this? Let me take out the accessories and see first, okay? Oh my gosh.
Wait, is this the one you want?
Yeah, I wanted this.
Wait, is it?
Sleeping curse. Eh?
Is that a secret? Ah?
Yeah, I wanted the sleeping curse for the secret. And her mom got this cute little cat also. She got 3 little ducks. My Kuromi card. I got this duck, right? This is the baby duck and this is the adult duck. I got 2 lip balms which is not supposed to be mine. One is for me, one is for her, but then she didn't like both of the colors, so I gave her my own lip balm instead. And then I just got this too. Eczema cream because my eczema is acting up and it's really bad, so I really need it. So this is the first top I got. Tank top, basic white top. Yeah, and that's all cause I don't want to spend money on clothes. Actually, I didn't really have the time to, so yeah. Anyways,
If you are watching this, Marcy, this is your present.
so, you know, I took a very serious consideration for this because they didn't have size M, so I needed to like consider if I should buy L. L is like so big. I'm not gonna open it now because I asked the person to carefully wrap it. Okay, not carefully wrap it, but I asked the person to like put it in the original Ziploc bag that comes with it. I legit tried it on to see how big was it on me, and it was super big. I still bought it in the end because it's the last piece left and it's L, so I had to. I guess that's it. This lighting is so bad. I can't do this. Just stay tuned for more, okay?